Today I'm going to show you how to take out friction frizz on a synthetic wig. So first of all, we want to spray on some leave-in conditioner, just a little bit. And then with our wide tooth comb, we're going to just comb through, just like this. Take out any of the big knots. And then once you've done that, you're going to grab a thin tooth comb. And then with your steam, warm the fibres up, keeping it 2 inches away from the actual synthetic fibres. And then from the bottom, we're going to comb down. And when we find some knots, you just gently hold the steam there and pull down. Not too much tension, because that can make it worse. And then you do that all over the wig, and that will remove all the friction frizz and make your wig look like new again. Thank you.